Hi everybody, this is Mark with Speedy Comps. Just wanted to showcase like some programs that did temperatures and showed my gaming computer off. Turn it down. Sorry about that, but yeah, over here you see it's at 6 megabits per second, and that's 726 kilobytes per second. If you do the conversion, let's see here, I'll put this in this corner over here. Yeah, we'll move this one over. Alright, so we gotta do speed. Maybe not. We need to do like computer stuff. Rate, stress, pressure, torque. Yeah, there's conversions dash me.com. Let's see here. I think I need to do this. I'm sorry I don't have this set to go here. Let's see here. Special temperature, fuel economy, engineering, computer transfer rate. Alright, so see here, right? 700. I'm gonna put 50. 150 kilobytes because it's a capital B. So we gotta look for kilobytes. 750. Okay, so we got the conversion. Megabits. 6 megabits. So that equals up. It's pretty good. And here's the temperatures. GPU temperature is 98 degrees. Go over to the graphics. Oh, this is saying 103. Oh, this is the average temperature though. So, yeah, graphics 101. If I change this to current, it'll match. Yep, 102. Oh, okay, it's pretty close, yeah. Barely any memory. CPU barely going. My disk, hard drive, which I hope I get another one. So, this has been Mark with Speedy Comps. Hope you have a good day.